playoff series in Charlotte next week. Zach Dean, Dylan Peterson, and Kian Washkrick start the night for the T-Birds. Slow to get back to his skates, and he'll make his way over to the T-Bird bench. LaFerriere in at the other end, fires, he scores! Back to the T-Bird bench after he got sideswiped at the other end. Hoffman now in on a 3-on-1. Brennan Hoffman shoots, he scores. Over to Gaudette in the slot. Gaudette fires off the pipe! A mile in the air, it'll stay in play. Trying to streak to the net. Aberholm receives the pass, centered it back out front, but he couldn't connect with Run. Now Kessel steps into a slapper and scores! The other way. 3-on-2, but Conklin without a stick, driving the net. Himalaya shoots and scores. Abermoff frees things up for Rosen, and Rosen running it ahead. Vrana trying to get a step. Jacob Vrana to the net, backhands, he scores! Lost the puck, and Hollowell and Hoffman out of the box, but Hoffman couldn't hang on to the pass. Hoffman still two at left wing side, centers to the front. Hollowell's there, backhands and scores. On the right wing, Will Bitton breaking for the front. LaFerriere chips in the middle, Zach Dean shoots, he scores! Come out of the zone. Hillman walking to the middle, his wrist shot, they score. Sahil Panwar with the redirection. They're caught up in traffic though, and Hollowell sends it ahead. Hoffman camping out. Hoffman waiting for support. Hoffman right side, cuts to the slot, shoots, and scores. By Bleed. Bleed weaves around Conklin in center. Kalynuk has to defend the empty net. Bleed across, and Sikora scores. Wide of Hugo Olash's net. Olash is going to pick up a win in his first AHL start. Wasn't pretty. Only stopped 14 pucks on 18 shots, but his offense gets him 6 on the board, and the Wolfpack win it by a final of 6-4. We'll wrap up the